The latest jobs report shows employment continues to remain strong. More than 250,000 jobs were added last month, but the increase was weaker than January. Fox Business correspondent Edward Lawrence has more.
There were more new jobs than forecasted in February, though the unemployment rate rose. The job market created 275,000 new jobs last month, about 75,000 more than expected, and the unemployment rate rose to 3.9%, breaking a 3-month streak of unemployment at 3.7%.
Rising unemployment's a big thing, and it might put a little pressure on the Fed. So I think that's a good thing.
While hiring continued at a brisk pace in February, the Labor Department revised its readings from the previous 2 months. January's blockbuster 353,000 gain was revised lower to 229,000.
The downward revision in January is not that surprising because that's the biggest month for the seasonal adjustments. So I'm glad they got it right, for lack of a better word.
Meanwhile, the labor force participation rate held steady for a third consecutive month, coming in at 62.5%. And there's a sign wage increases are moderating month over month, a sign of progress for the Fed's inflation fighting. Average hourly earnings rose 0.1%, a smaller increase than forecasted. Job gains came in healthcare, hotels, restaurants, and government. On the flip side, hiring fell slightly in manufacturing.
The government is running fiscal policy hot, and that is creating a lot of jobs. Surprisingly, we're not seeing those jobs in manufacturing yet, despite the enormous growth in spending on manufacturing construction.
Going forward, some economists would like to see the economy creating jobs on its own in the private sector without the government help. In Washington, Edward Lawrence, Fox Business.